Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk all things protein and why you need more of it, why it matters, and go over a few recipes. This video is going to be titled 50 recipes. I'll have a link in the description for all 50 high protein recipes. I'm Nick Garcia, a holistic health coach and certified nutrition coach. I've helped tens of thousands of people all over the internet with my programs on metabolism, carb cycling, intermittent fasting, and all different types of diets. So protein, one of the most important nutrients for health, fitness, and just feeling great. This presentation is all about making high protein eating easy, delicious, and sustainable, which is one of my favorite things about all diets, or one thing that all diets should be sustainable. So we're going to dive into the 5 essential protein sources that should be staples in your kitchen, but we aren't just talking theory. We're giving you 10 practical, easy to make recipes that can help fuel your body without spending hours in the kitchen cooking. Think of this as your practical guide to boosting your protein intake and your reminder, because I think we all know we need to eat more of it. Starting today, we're going to cover everything from affordable staples like eggs to plant-based powerhouses like beans. Let's start by understanding exactly why protein deserves so much spotlight in your diet. So, what's all the fuss about protein? We know we need to eat more of it, but why? Simply put, protein is the fundamental building block for almost everything inside of our bodies. It's not just about building big muscles, it's essential for repairing tissue, supporting your immune system, producing critical enzymes, and of course, hormones, which is one of the most important things for losing weight and feeling good. But for most people, the immediate benefit they notice is how protein helps with weight management, right? This is pretty much what is top of mind. When you eat protein, you feel full faster, you stay satisfied much longer than with carbs and fats when you eat those just by themselves. So this high satiety factor is your secret weapon against snacking and overeating. Plus, your body actually burns more calories just to digest protein, which we call the thermic effect of food. It's a win-win-win. So now that we know why this matters, let's look at our first essential protein source, the incredible edible egg, my personal favorite thing. So we started with eggs because they're truly the gold standard when it comes to protein. They're pretty much nature's superfood. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that your body can use immediately for muscle repair and growth. A single large egg packs about 6 to 7 grams of high quality protein, and better yet, it's incredibly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and utilizes nearly all of it very efficiently. Beyond the protein, eggs are nutrient powerhouses rich in vitamin D, B vitamins, and choline, which is vital for your brain health. They're also one of the most affordable and versatile proteins out there. You can cook them in minutes, make them perfect for busy mornings, hard boil them for easy snacks, which brings us to our first recipe designed for maximum convenience: cottage cheese egg bites. So we're taking the classic egg bite and supercharging the protein content by adding some cottage cheese. This recipe is a meal prep champion, delivering a massive 18 grams of protein per serving, which is a huge head start for achieving your daily maximum protein intake. So the secret here is blending the eggs and cottage cheese until they're perfectly smooth. This eliminates any curds and gives you a light, fluffy texture. We add spinach, of course, for some nutritional boost, and cheddar for a little bit more flavor. But you can easily swap more veggies, add more veggies, swap the veggies, or add a different cheese, or eliminate the cheese altogether. The beauty of these bites is that you bake a batch on Sunday and have grab and go breakfast ready for your entire work week, so you eliminate excuses. Just heat them up or just eat them cold straight from the fridge. They're delicious either way. This is protein convenient at its finest. Next, let's look at a quick hot breakfast option: scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. So if you have 10 minutes, you have time for this Mediterranean inspired scramble. This recipe proves that a high protein breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about adding flavor and nutrients to a simple base. We start by wilting the spinach first, which reduces its volume and ensures it's cooked perfectly before the eggs go in it. Then the feta cheese is the star here, adding a salty, tangy flavor that elevates the entire dish, plus adds a little bit of extra protein. Remember to fold the feta in right at the end so it softens but doesn't completely melt. This is a great way to get iron and vitamins from the spinach, along, of course, with your protein. So we have the eggs covered. Now let's move on to the next essential protein source: chicken. And the good thing about chicken right now, especially when grocery prices are really high, is that it's pretty inexpensive. We eat chicken for almost every meal at my house. So we just talked about the grab and go protein from eggs. Now we have to move on to another kitchen staple: chicken. Chicken is a protein powerhouse, especially the breast, which gives you about 35 grams of lean protein in just a 4-ounce serving with very little fat. This high protein to calorie ratio is exactly why chicken is a favorite for anyone focused on weight management or lean muscle building. And remember, our lean muscle is what is going to be burning that extra fat. But the real beauty of chicken is its versatility. It has a really mild flavor that acts like a blank canvas, ready to absorb any marinade or spice blend you throw at it. This means you can use it virtually with any cuisine, from Asian stir fries to Mediterranean salads. And because it's so widely available and affordable, it's a practical choice for healthy eating every single week. So we're going to look at 2 fantastic ways to prepare chicken, starting with the recipe that's perfect for grilling season: chicken and vegetable skewers. So this is the first one: colorful, complete meal on a stick, these skewers. The recipe is fantastic because it delivers about 30 grams of protein per serving, and you get all those essential vitamins and fiber from the mixed vegetables right alongside it. The key to maximize flavor here is the marinade, of course, letting the chicken cubes soak in that mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices for at least 30 minutes, which allows the flavors to really penetrate deep into the meat. So for prep, remember to alternate the chicken and vegetables on a skewer. This ensures even cooking and makes for a beautiful presentation. You can grill these outdoors or bake them in the oven at 400 degrees. For meal prep, you can chop the ingredients and make the marinade ahead of time, then assemble and cook them fresh. If you want a variation, so try swapping the chicken for turkey or adding chunks of sweet potato for extra complex carbs. So now let's look at a comforting recipe that's perfect for chilly evenings. If you're looking for comfort food that still supports your protein goals, look no further than this white chicken chili. This is a true protein powerhouse because it combines lean shredded chicken with white beans, giving you both animal and plant-based protein sources in just one bowl. The beans are also bring a huge dose of fiber, which keeps you even fuller longer and supports digestive health. The preparation is straightforward on this. You start by building a flavor base with sauteed onions and garlic. Then you just dump in the rest of the ingredients and let it simmer. The magic happens during that 20-minute simmer as the flavors from the cumin and oregano really meld it together. This chili is an ideal meal prep candidate. It tastes even better the next day, and you can easily freeze individual portions for quick lunches later on. For a dairy-free option, skip the sour cream topping, and for a richer flavor, use full-fat Greek yogurt instead. We've covered chicken, so let's dive into our next protein source: the amazing benefits of fish and seafood. So this is our third essential protein source: fish and seafood. They offer more than just protein. This category is famous for delivering heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are crucial for brain function and reducing inflammation throughout the body. And remember, if we want to lose weight, we got to get rid of the inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon give you around 25 grams of high-quality protein per serving, along with those vital omega-3s. Even lean fish like cod and tilapia are excellent protein sources with very few calories. A huge benefit of seafood is how quickly it cooks. Most fish dishes are ready in under 15 minutes, making them perfect for busy weeknights. Plus, the variety is endless, from mild white fish to rich, flavorful salmon. You can do shrimp or scallops. We're going to start with a simple, elegant recipe that showcases the best of salmon: baked salmon with roasted veggies. So it's our first example of healthy eating made easy. This is a one-pan wonder, meaning minimal cleanup. Love these, and delivers a complete balanced meal with about 25 grams of protein and a huge boost of omega-3s. The trick to making this efficient is timing. You start by roasting the denser vegetables like broccoli and carrots for about 15 minutes first. This gives you a head start. Then you add the salmon fillets to this exact same pan. So season the salmon simply with olive oil, herbs of your choice, lemon slices, and return the pan to the oven. Everything finishes cooking at the same time, resulting in a perfectly flaky salmon and tender caramelized vegetables. For meal prep, you can chop all the vegetables ahead of time. For variation, try adding sweet potatoes instead of carrots, or swap the herbs for a little soy sauce and ginger for an Asian twist. Next, let's look at a low-carb seafood recipe that's ready in a flash: shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. So we talked about the one-pan salmon dinner. You can mix and match this. This recipe is a perfect example of how you can enjoy a luxurious, flavorful meal without all of the heavy carbs. By swapping traditional pasta for spiralized zucchini, you can dramatically cut down on calories while still getting 20 grams of high-quality protein from the shrimp. The prep is incredibly easy and fast, which is a huge benefit for weeknights. You start by quickly sauteing the garlic in butter and olive oil, then toss in the shrimp, and they turn pink. Cook really quickly. The key to that rich flavor is deglazing the pan with a splash of white wine and lemon juice. But here is a critical cooking tip with this one: Only toss the zucchini noodles in for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want them just slightly softened, not mushy, so that they keep that satisfying bite and kind of crunchy. This dish is ready in under 15 minutes, making it a super healthy, low carb alternative to takeout. Next, let's shift gears completely to explore the power of plant-based protein. So, moving on from seafood, we arrive at our fourth essential protein source, the mighty world of beans and legumes. These are two nutritional powerhouses offering a fantastic combo of protein and fiber that you just don't get from animal sources sometimes. So, think about it. 1 cup of black bean gives you around 15 grams of protein and the same amount of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and keeping you full for hours, which is great for weight loss. The high fiber content is what gives you that sustained energy, preventing those blood sugar spikes and crashes, helping regulate your insulin levels, which is huge for needing to lose weight. And let's not forget about the financial benefit. Beans are one of the most affordable protein sources available, making them healthy eating accessible to everyone. Plus, they're naturally cholesterol free and packed with essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Now, let's look at the hearty, comforting recipe that puts these to work: vegetarian chili. So this recipe proves that you don't need meat to create a deeply satisfying protein-packed meal. We're going to be using a combination of black beans, kidney beans, and red lentils, which together deliver about 18 grams of protein per serving. The lentils are essentially important because they dissolve slightly as they simmer, helping to naturally thicken the chili and add a creamy texture. The prep is straightforward. You just build the flavor base by sauteing the onion and bell peppers first. Then you just dump everything else in and let it simmer. The longer you let this chili cook, the better the flavors meld together. This is a fantastic recipe for meal planning because it freezes really great, and honestly, it tastes even better the next day and a couple of days after that. But if you're looking for something lighter and fresher, our next recipe is perfect. Quinoa and black bean salad. This salad is a double protein punch because we're combining black beans and quinoa, which is one of the few plant foods that are considered a complete protein, which is huge. This combination of protein and fiber makes this seriously filling meal, not just like a side dish. The key to this recipe is addressing a simple mix of olive oil, lime juice, and cumin that adds a bright, zesty kick. So when you're preparing this, make sure your quinoa is fully cooked before you mix it in with the other ingredients to prevent wilting. The salad is actually best when it's made ahead of time, so it kind of marinates. And you kind of put it in the fridge for a few hours, making it an ideal grab and go option for lunch or a weeknight. Now, final protein source, which is a dairy favorite. Our final protein source brings us to the dairy aisle, focusing on Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. These two products are protein powerhouses, offering a concentrated dose of high quality protein along with the calcium and beneficial probiotics. Just 1 cup of Greek yogurt can give you around 20 grams of protein, which is often more than a single serving of meat. This high protein content is a result of the straining process, which removes excess liquid and concentrates the nutrients. Beyond the protein, the probiotics in both yogurt and cottage cheese are fantastic for supporting your gut health and your immune system. They're also incredibly versatile. You can use Greek yogurt to replace sour cream in recipes or blend cottage cheese into smoothies for a protein boost. So let's look at a simple layered way to enjoy Greek yogurt first. This Greek yogurt parfait, we talked about how versatile it is. This is a perfect example. This recipe is fantastic because it delivers around 20 grams of protein plus antioxidants from the berries and healthy fats from the nuts, giving you sustained energy without that sugar crash. The key to making this work is meal prep using mason jars. You can assemble several of these on a Sunday night, for example. Here's a pro tip: keep the granola separate until you're ready to eat so it stays crunchy, or just eliminate the granola totally to get it more of a low carb. For variations, try subbing the berries with sliced peaches or mango, or swap the nuts for a sprinkle of high fiber seeds like chia seeds. This combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats makes it a complete balanced breakfast or a perfect post-workout recovery snack. Let's look at another simple dairy option that's often overlooked: cottage cheese bowls. Um, this bowl, for example, is classic for a reason. It's incredibly simple, requires zero cooking, and it provides about 25 grams of high quality protein per serving. The beauty here is the balance. The creamy, slightly savory cottage cheese pairs perfectly with the sweet, tangy pineapple and the satisfying crunch of walnuts. So for those who prefer a savory twist, you can swap the pineapple and walnuts for sliced tomatoes, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Cottage cheese is also rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, making this an excellent choice for a late night snack to support muscle repair while you sleep. It's proof that high protein eating doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. Now that we've covered all 5 of our main protein sources and a few recipes, let's wrap up with some final thoughts on making this a sustainable lifestyle, because that's, for me, is the most important thing. So we have our 5 essential protein sources, practical recipes, more recipes in the description. I just click the link and it goes to my website. The most important takeaway here is building a high protein lifestyle is about variety and being consistent, not about perfection. Rotate through eggs and chicken, fish, beans, and dairy. You ensure you get a full spectrum of nutrients and prevent meal fatigue. Remember that each of these protein sources brings unique things to the table, whether it's the omega-3s from fish or the fiber from beans and legumes. Don't try to change everything all at once. Start by committing to one high protein meal a day, maybe a cottage cheese bowl for breakfast or a chicken skewer for dinner, or both. You want to try to get 80 to 100 grams per day. So focus on making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with long term. Your body will reward you with sustained energy, better satiety, and improved overall health. And of course, the extra, which is the weight loss. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe for more content just like this, and encourage you to click that link, start cooking these super high protein recipes. Talk to you next time.